Advanced notes. 1. Just, already, recently, lately are keywords of the present perfect simple tense. We use them to talk about finished actions. Examples: I have, just or already, finished my homework. I have finished my homework recently or lately. 2. Yet is a keyword which we use to talk about unfinished actions or to ask about finished actions. Examples: I haven't finished my homework yet. Have you finished your homework yet? 3. For plus a period of time. For example, I have studied my lessons for 7 hours. 4. Since plus a specific time or date in the past. Examples: I have studied my lessons since 7 a.m. I have lived in Egypt since 2002.